Chunni and Munni went to play. They saw some birds along the way.
Sparrows said chirp, 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 idle fast, flying fast with a little twirl and flip. Parrots said hello, hello.
Green and red with a beak that glows.
Coo-coo-coo!
Sitting on a rooftop too. Who said call, call loud, flying high above the crowd. Danced with feathers wide, colors sparkling full of pride. Said ooh, 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 I stay up late, how about you? Birds are lovely, birds are free. Let's sing with them, 1, 2, 3. And Munni went to play. They saw some birds along the way.
Sparrows said chirp, 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 flying fast with a little twirl and flip. Parrots said hello, hello.
Green and red with a beak that glows.
Coo-coo-coo!
Sitting on the rooftop too. Who said call, call loud, flying high above the crowd. Danced with feathers wide, colors sparkling full of pride. Said birds are lovely, birds are free. Let's sing with them, 1, 2, 3.